Okay, so I got this shower head off of Amazon. It has some mineral balls in it that filters the water and high pressure, supposedly we're about to see. And I got that for like $7.95, and this hose and bracket for like $5.99. So everything for right around 15 bucks or under 20 bucks. Let's see how it performs and how it does. So I have replaced it. There's the long cord. There is the shower. Sits up there nicely. And I will show how the power or the pressure is from that here. Turn that on. You can see that pressure is going through the mineral balls, being filtered. You can see it through the transparent. See that the water is being filtered through there. There's a little button on the side so you can change it to just the pulse, or you can put on just the shower.